If you did not know, there's going to be a Gorilla Tag event on November 15th, 1 p.m. EST. And you get a chance to meet Lemming, Maxo, Elliot, and other creators. So yeah, we're trying to break the record, so please be on. It'll help out the community so much. We just need you. We're trying to break the servers. It's gonna be fun. You have a chance to meet Lemming. We have to try at least. November 15th, 1 p.m. EST 2025. If you don't know, if this has been somehow delayed by like 80 years, you get the